How to log into Alaska Airlines account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Alaska Airlines and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, alaskaairlines.com. Just go ahead and open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of Sign In. Go ahead and click on it. With that, login section will appear. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials, type in the user ID or the mileage plan number, and then type in the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of Forget Password to recover it. After you fill this, click on the option of Sign In, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way, you can easily log into Alaska Airlines account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Sign Up and go through the process for the registration. Well, that's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.